Part D. Sir, I'm not done, sir. Only other power-driven mobility devices not exceeding 36 inches in width and 62 inches in length are permitted on park pathways, trails, and other areas open to pedestrian use. Page 4. Internal combustion engine devices are not prohibited on park pathways, trails, and other areas. My vehicle is licensed under state motor vehicle laws for on-road use. Okay, Part E. Persons using an other power-driven mobility device may be required to provide verification that the mobility device is required because of the person's disability. Acceptable forms of verification are 1. A valid state-issued disability parking placard or card, which is right here that the rangers can see. Sir, so let's go back here to this section, because this is going to amount to discrimination. I'm disabled. I got my proof. Everything is, I'm in full compliance with state and federal laws. Visitors shall not operate off-highway motor vehicles or golf carts in the state parks with the exception. I am an exception, sir. Persons with mobility disabilities, we should just drop it right now.
Sir, may I have a chance? You're not reading the whole thing, because it says it's provided in subsection D. And subsection D says that you must respect the landowner to include the United States Department of Interior, the Bureau of Reclamation where applicable. The part that you are in currently, the landowner is the Bureau of Reclamation, and they don't allow OHVs or ATVs.
I got it right here. Oh yeah.
Even in our plans, we allow you to use your vehicle. We allow you to use other mobility devices, such as like power chairs and stuff like that. But OHVs,
sir, you cannot invalidate federal Americans with Disabilities Act rules. I have right here, sir.
It says visitors and state park officials should comply with laws or regulations or rules of the landowner.
Right
sir,
there.
We are being compliant with the landowner, which is the United States of the Bureau of Reclamation.
Yes, sir. I have in my hand here my Bureau of Reclamation pass that I can use federal lands as long as I obey the law. Okay. You cannot trump the Americans with Disabilities Act. They can't, no matter what entity it is.
You can go to BLM, you can go to the Bureau of Reclamation where they have roads and stuff, but when it is inside of a state park, you have to follow the rules of the park. And you have to follow the rules of the landowner. And in this particular land, which is owned by the Bureau of Reclamation, they don't allow OHVs, and neither do we.
Yes.
You are allowed to use power chairs, you're allowed to use wheelchairs, you're allowed to use your vehicle, but you're not allowed to use an OHV or ATV. They are just forbidden, and they go against the rules of the landowner and as well as our regulations.
Sir, will you get your copy of the New Mexico State Park rules? Chapter 19, Part 2. You don't care. You don't care that they're not going to enforce this exception. It says in your rules, it's your rules that says I can't use it, and I have the documented proof right here in front of me that says I can, because I am exempt. Do you understand what the word exception means?
As provided in subsection D, sir, you're not reading the full rule. You are reading the first sentence of 19.5.2.16 A, and you're right. You're perfectly right, but you're not reading a subsection D. And D says other power-driven mobility devices But then toward the bottom it says that you have to comply with the laws and regulations and rules of the landowner. And the rules and regulations is that we're the managing party and the owner of the land is the Bureau of Reclamation, and both of us do not allow OHVs or ATVs to be used in any manner. We do allow and we do facilitate for accessibility using a power chair or a wheelchair, or you're more than welcome to go anywhere and on the land using your motor vehicle. Again, there is no designated areas for OHVs or ATVs, and as an agency, we're doing everything reasonable to accommodate every user group, to include those with disabilities.
Okay, sir. I don't know if you are aware of new state laws and county laws, city ordinances, like Sierra County, which most of these laws were adopted in 2018, May of 2018, so they're reasonably new laws. But here on your state parks, vehicle traffic, vehicles operating within a park shall be registered, which I'm registered, and operated according to New Mexico motor vehicle laws. This ATV, there's a difference between off-road vehicles and ATVs, sir.
And we're going by the definition of ATVs.
Yes.
And ATVs are what the manufacturer intended the vehicle when it was designed. And your ATV will say that it was designed for off-road use. Our rule clearly states that we do not allow off-road vehicles within the park boundaries.
Except.
No, there's no exception.
Yes, there is, right here in your laws. Right here, it says so. Right here in your very own laws, it says, except people with mobility disabilities. I am an exception. I am mobility disabled,
Yes,
sir.
But
You'll be discriminated.
You are reading part of the regulation and you're stopping where it's
Okay.
applicable to you. But you got to read the whole thing. And it says, as provided in subsection D. And again, that's the full. That's the full regulation. And it will state that every visitor must comply with state park officials, and we as well should comply with the laws and regulations and rules of the landowner.
That is correct.
And I told you already a few times that the owner of that park is a Bureau of Reclamation. And
Yes, sir.
we do not allow OHVs or ATVs to be used in the park.
Except people with mobility.
Even with people with disabilities, we do allow other power-driven mobility devices such as.
Go ahead and cite me. Do something. I'm burning up.
So, sir, this is what I'm coming down to, because we're going to keep going round and round on this. This is what I don't want it to come to. I don't want it to come to us impounding your ATV. I don't want us to come down to citing you and having to fight this in court. So I'm asking you if you can please comply with our rules and use your motor vehicle to get around the park. And at this point, that is going to be my final. That's going to be my final offer. Otherwise, we're going to have to take law enforcement action, and I hate to do that to you.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Yes, where's my driver's license?
My partner has it.
Okay, he's licensed. This is all new laws. You see that license plate back there?
Sir, we're gonna go
I
around
know.
in circles and circles,
I know.
just so it wouldn't be, he said, she said.
That's right.
Exactly why you're talking to my regional manager right now.
Okay. I have a copy also of the CFR 43, which is the Bureau of Reclamation
Do you know
codified
what
federal rules.
Do you know what the main difference between state law and like city ordinances is?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
So city ordinances can be stricter than state laws. Are you aware of that?
They can't conflict.
No, sir. They could be stricter. State laws, we have to all abide by. But once you're into county, state, city,
Well,
anything like that, the laws can be stricter.
okay, it says that right in here.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
therefore,
but
they're saying
here's the
we
trump.
still don't allow ATVs inside the park. And my manager, Sal, who you talked to, informed me that you would be cited if you were caught. So here we are now. You're caught by my partner here, and this is where we are now.
So you heard him say,
Now, I'll give him the
Visitors?
opportunity to go and put the ATV away and he can move around with his motor vehicle. But please let this be the last warning.
Okay.
Otherwise, any other time after this, we will take law enforcement action. We're leaving that as an option.
Okay.
And that option is right now to get on the ATV, follow him to his campsite, and put the ATV away. If we can agree to that, I'm okay with that.
So
that's what I want to do is go dump this and then go to my campsite.
what is that?
That's a porta potty.
Porta
bottom.
potty? Well, you have a vehicle at your camp. So
The potty doesn't work.
Well, you
That's
have-
a holding tank.
you have a vehicle at your camp. Go ahead and put this in your vehicle right now. Like my manager said, we're giving you the option. You can take it straight to camp, load it on that trailer, do what you got to do, and we'll leave it at that. But if you go anywhere else in this park, then I will cite
Okay,
you
I'm
and
going.
or
I'm
take
going
this
to
quad.
contact Santa Fe,
That's perfectly
the
all right, sir.
directors of the state park system, and the BOR,
Okay.
because I am in full compliance of our laws. You guys are not.
Look at this. You
Applying
have
to
the paper in your hand.
Yeah.
No off-road vehicles allowed in Elephant Butte State Park.
Okay, look here.
Sir, we're not gonna go and
Accept.
it's just a broken record, sir.
Except
I'm giving you the option.
I
right now.
know.
I'm giving you the option.
you guys
You
don't
can
want to
go.
accept the exception.
Okay.
Okay.
And a lot of visitors do that. They call the Bureau of Reclamation and they call the Santa Fe office and they get the justification that they need. So, and then that's perfectly okay. Right now, at this point, we just want him to go back to his campsite.
Can we agree to that?
I'll go back to the campsite.
Okay. And I want to see this on a trailer.
What do you do?
Yes, sir.
I say, no matter how long it takes me to do it, I'm disabled. Don't you understand that?
I do.
Does he understand that?
You unloaded it just fine, sir.
Yeah, get on it and drive it.
Just want to
We're-
understand. Okay. So we're just gonna follow you to your campsite. Please put it away, and then so we can avoid any law enforcement action. Can we agree on that, sir?
I will agree to take it to the campsite.
Sir, we're giving you every opportunity. I want to see it loaded on the trailer. Because you did talk to another ranger yesterday, and that was me.
Okay.
And I went and I told you I was going to do my
Yeah.
job and talk to Sal, my higher ups, and I did
Yes,
that.
you did.
Which is why we're here now.
Right.
So we're giving you every opportunity to not cite you and not take this away from you if you just take it to your camp and put it on the trailer.
I would like to ask a question.
That's that.
What is the code, the number that I would be cited for?
The use of off-road vehicles.
Well, what does that, you gotta have a section number.
He has it, sir.
Yes, of course.
what-
We have it.
Well, I mean,
What is it?
what is it? Go get the statute if he wants to know it.
This might be educational for all of us.
Sir, you're not the first and you're not going to be the last.
Of course.
You know where you could get real clear clarification and it really helps our visitors?
Yes, from the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Okay, so you'll be.
Get the law from the New Mexico Game and Fish. And that spells it out really nicely there.
Right there.
Okay, so you'll be. It's of highway vehicles. You'll be cited for 16-2-33, 19 New Mexico AC, Chapter 5, Section 2.6a. Visitors shall not operate OHV in the state park system.
There are a few exceptions.
We're not going to argue about this again, sir. We gave you your options, so it's going to be up to you at this point. What do you want to do?
I'll go back to the campsite.
All right, then. Go ahead and do that.
And